The concept of backpacking is nothing complicated, but there is a myriad of little things that can take your backpacking adventure to a whole new level. So, if you're a beginner backpacker and not an experienced one, knowing some essential backpacking tips will make things easier for you so that you can enjoy your adventure to the fullest. With that in mind, we'll be discussing the 10 backpacking tips for beginners in today's video. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. You may be overwhelmed by the stories of exotic backpacking destinations you heard from your friends or hiking buddies. Then get influenced and select one backpacking spot without doing proper research. Well, it may lead you to experience an unpleasant backpacking trip. You never know. So take your time, do some research, and choose a beginner-friendly destination. However, if you still find it challenging to choose, you may join a hiking group to make everything a lot easier. It is mandatory to prepare yourself physically before heading into the wilderness, but that doesn't mean you have to have a ripped body anyway. What you should do is take regular hikes with a 20 to 30 pounds bag. It will be better if you can add some stretching and freehand exercises into your routine. By doing these workouts for a couple of weeks, you will be ready physically to make some challenging backpacking trips into the backcountry. Now you're ready physically, it is time to work on your mental health. Yeah, you need to be mentally prepared and brush up on some survival skills because you never know what is waiting for you ahead in the wild. So the point is, first try to learn to manage stress, master some surviving chores like lighting fire, cutting ropes, tying knots, pitching tents, reading maps, and familiarize yourself with other navigation gear such as GPS for backpacking. Anyway, to help you, we have put a list of backpacking gear in the description box below that you may check out. It entirely depends on what trail type you choose to hike. For instance, if you select a loop trail, you won't need additional car parking at the other end of the trail before beginning your hike. In contrast, if you prefer hiking on point-to-point trails, you need to drop a car at the other end of the trail. Every hiker knows how crucial it is to choose and carry the ideal backpack for backpacking. Anyway, as a beginner backpacker, you need to select a high-quality backpack that is robust, waterproof, lightweight, comfortable, and of course, spacious. If you're confused about getting the right one, don't worry. We have a dedicated video on this topic that you will find in the description box. Now let's talk about what you should pack inside your backpack. You know you can fill your backpack with a whole lot of gear, some of which won't even come in handy during hiking. So, we recommend you pack only the essentials like moisture-wicking t-shirts, underwear, hydration pack, water filters, sunscreen, sunglasses, cooking gear, and other necessary items. Try not to make your backpack so bulky that you cannot carry it around on the trail. Appropriate footwear plays a vital role in keeping you comfortable while backpacking in the wild. Again, a shoe pair is also responsible for making your trip unpleasant if you choose the wrong one. However, we recommend you wear a high-quality pair of backpacking shoes that offers good ankle support, is breathable, comfortable, and lightweight. While planning food for backpacking, many beginner backpackers tend to pack many food items and forget to include freeze-dried and non-perishable items. Some even avoid stashing canned foods, so make sure you don't make such a mistake and have a checklist of necessary food items to carry in the wild. If you plan to go solo, you need to do proper research regarding your trails and environment. Try to avoid areas that may contain wild and dangerous animals. However, if somehow you choose such a backpacking trail, try not to go too close to animals. The best practice will be to avoid their territory. Apart from that, it would be best if you did not forget to have a first aid kit along with you. In short, practice all the essential cares you need to stay safe, secure, and comfortable out in the wild. Before hitting the finishing line of this video, we want to talk about some more tips that you should follow as a beginner backpacker. Firstly, you should avoid reaching a destination too quickly. We mean you need to demonstrate your stamina correctly. Try to take a 10-minute break after going a couple of miles. By doing this, you will recoup your energy. Lastly, don't hesitate to ask for help when in need of backpacking with a group of backpackers. So that's all for the 10 backpacking tips for beginners. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it informative. Thanks for watching our video.